told them there is not an official weather station at the airport. So we went to Plan B. We partnered up with Arkansas Methodist Medical Center, and not only will there now be current conditions out of Paragould, but we took it a step further. There is also a camera now on top of Arkansas Methodist Medical Center. It's a web-based camera that gives us a 360-degree view of Paragould, and I was actually very amazed at how much you can see from on top of Arkansas Methodist Medical Center. So without any further delay, let's take a live look from our new SkyCam on top of the hospital, and as we look out toward Paragould, and as you can hear, a lot of folks here at the hospital are very excited about that also. Right now in Paragould, it is 33 degrees. Winds right now are out of the east at 7 miles per hour. As you can see there, there's still some snow on the ground as we look off to the west at the water tower there. That is right beside the cemetery. Something I found that was really cool about this camera was we can put presets in it and preset different things, like let's say, let's look off down to the south. So meteorologist Justin Logan is manning the camera, if you will, which has full access in the storm center. What we can do is look down to the south from this. Let's say a storm was coming in from the south. We can just click on the south and zoom it around, and you can see as we look down to the south from Arkansas Methodist Medical Center, you can look on the horizon there, see the sun going down. You can still see some of the snow there on the ground. Very fast camera also. If we want to, we can click it all the way around, 180 degrees. Look at the overpass. Let's go to the overpass on Highway 412. This is typically a spot that gets a little slick when the snow comes in. You can see traffic moving along there as you head off to the east. And if we zoom, we can even see the old courthouse. So Justin, if you could click on the courthouse, which looks kind of off to the northeast, and you can see where the Chamber of Commerce is now. You can see the courthouse there in the distance. And then let's just go right in front of the hospital. Click on front of the hospital, and you can see the flags blowing in the wind. Light wind there at east wind at 5 miles per hour. We'll zoom it back around to the front of the hospital, and you can see folks going in and out of the hospital, in and out of the gym there. And what this is going to do, it's going to give us a live view at all times in Paragould. So not only when the days are nice outside, but also when those ominous storms come in, also we will be able to get a live look at exactly what is going on in Paragould so that we can relay that information back to the viewer, and also current conditions. So take a look at what's going on outside right now. We'll go to the regional look at temperatures across Region 8, and temperatures right now have been on the cool side, generally in the 30s, 36 degrees in Batesville, 33 in Blytheville, 32 up in Poplar Bluff, 37 right now down in West Memphis. Storm track Doppler 8 showing that we have no rain, no snow. Everything is good this evening, and we'll continue to see dry conditions tonight and tomorrow, but the clouds are going to stick around. If you look at the satellite radar outside, we have had some clouds linger around, but if you notice, not much in the way of rain, snow, or anything like that. The warmer air is back down to the southwest, and it is moving in our direction. So tonight's forecast, dropping down into the 20s again, 29 for the overnight low. Most locations going in the 20s. Some places may stay in the low 30s. And then for tomorrow, a little warmer outside. We're looking at upper 50s, much milder. And temperatures tomorrow could go in the 60s for our southwestern areas. Coming up, we're going to be talking about 70s. Plus, we'll take another live look at our new SkyCam on top of Arkansas Methodist Medical Center. Guys?
That's right, Ryan. We've had a lot of information about this camera, and this Stratus station will help us to track weather faster and better here in Region 8.
Stratus Station is a company that's currently building a network of live weather stations and cameras all across the United States. Alan West, Vice President of Stratus Station, says the cameras are high quality and in color.
These cameras are full pan-tilt zoom. They're controlled at the TV station by the meteorologist, so that if he sees something he wants to take a closer look at, he can just press some buttons and the camera will automatically zoom in. They have a 10-power zoom.
Most web cameras are stationary, but these have a 360-degree radius, allowing the Region 8 storm team to see storms from all directions.
What we wanted to do is be able to show, like I said, what's underneath the cloud. Now with Doppler radar, you can see rotation on the radar, but you don't really know if there's a tornado on the ground or not. With these Stratus Station cameras, you will be able to see what's there, if it's just a low-hanging cloud or if you actually have a tornado on the ground.
With Stratus Station, we have access to other cameras, giving us a view of what's heading toward Region 8. This is not only a camera, it also gives important weather conditions.
It's a full functioning weather station, which gives you temperature, rain, dew points, barometric pressures. It also records for the day, for the month, for the year. Keeps an ongoing total for the meteorologist to go back for further studies.
Turning our attention to weather right now, big moment because we're going to unveil something new, a way to see things high in the sky.
That's right. The guy to give us the big presentation here, Chief Meteorologist Ryan Vaughn. It is his gadget, after all.
Yeah, guys, check this out. Let me give you a little background about this. For so long, people in Paragould have asked, why aren't there current conditions on the weather map when you give the weathercast? And I've always